मुझे याद है मैं एक दिन रिक्शा में बैठा था और मैं रिक्शा वाले को बस ऐसे ही पूछा, यार तुम गाने कैसे सुनते हो? मैं बोलता मेरे को सिर्फ सैड सॉन्ग पसंद है। रोमांटिक सॉन्ग नहीं, सैड सॉन्ग। मैंने बोला अच्छा सैड सॉन्ग एक जॉनर है इनके लिए। Like at 17 I was a big guy. I used to weigh like 125 kilos. मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम मालूम में क्या होता था क्लैपर बनने का, कि क्लैपर का काम क्या होता है कि भाई क्लैप मार और भाग। क्लैपर्स हैव टू बी द क्विकेस्ट। I was the slowest clapper in the history of clapping. Because I was a big guy. मैं क्लैप करता था और क्लैप करते समय जो भागने का जो टाइम लगता था ना मुझे, उसमें आधा रील तो वहीं खत्म हो जाता था। I feel everything should be there. You cannot stop someone from making something.
Yeah.
If they're making it, let them make it. You can disagree with it. And if you don't like it, don't watch it. But don't stop anyone from making it, because if you stop them, then they can stop you from making something.
Yeah.
Where does it stop? It's just going to keep going on, no? बोला नहीं नहीं ये तो बुरा है, ये नहीं आ सकता, ये गलत है, ये एंटी नेशनल है, this is anti whatever, anti this, anti that. Everything is anti only now.
Yeah.
It's hurting sentiments. Arey, tomorrow something you make will hurt their sentiments, and then you will say no, but I haven't done anything wrong. But for them it is wrong. Then where does it stop? You know, people unfortunately in our industry don't give sound design too much importance.
Okay.
See, music is one counterpart of it, but I mean ultimately my sound designer is the one who's actually putting it all together. Like, you know, I feel like Barbie, good film, fun movie, important for its reasons, but the songs sucked, yo. I would choose a Mohit Suri film over Barbie any day. तू मन में क्या है? तू Gen Z नहीं, तू Gen Chi है.
Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Welcome to the Small Man Show, Mr. Jay Mehta.
Hey, this is the Small Man Show roast.
Okay, I'm glad you're not Ashneer.
Huh?
You would sue me.
अच्छा.
All right.
Shark Tank ज़्यादा देखा नहीं, but I know who you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay, so first of all, what are people's reaction on Lutere?
You tell me यार. तो यार देखो मेरे टाइमलाइन पे तो सब अच्छा ही आता है. कोई बुरा लिख के कभी टैग थोड़ी करता है हमें. जब अच्छा लिखते तभी टैग करते हैं ना.
वो नहीं तो फिर कमेंट सेक्शन में सारी बुराइयां होती हैं.
नहीं, अगर बुरा होता तो तुम मुझे यहाँ थोड़ी बुलाते. बुरे फिल्मों के लिए आज तक इंटरव्यू किसने लिया है?
ये भी है. So the first thing, if I want to talk about Lutere, the first thing that I would say is sound. Be it the intro, the theme music, be it how, like even minute details that we put. So like fight scene में shoes अगर लोग भाग रहे हैं तो shoes का sound effect डालना, या folly हो, ambience हो, सारी चीज़ें. I feel Lutere में like I felt like I was a part of it because of these things. And I have always, I don't know if this is subconsciously in my head or not, but in some way or another, I analyze the sound a lot while watching any show or any film.
Yeah.
And I feel Lutere ka best part, again, in the previous episode with Gaurav Bhai, I also talked about this. The best part I feel is the theme music.
I तो actually like, so again, like, yaar sound, you know, people unfortunately in our industry don't give sound design too much importance.
Okay.
See, music is one counterpart of it, but I mean ultimately my sound designer is the one who's actually putting it all together. So I feel sound design is something that is not taken very seriously here. यहाँ पे मतलब sound जो आपका set पे recordist होता है, आप sync sound कर रहे हो जो भी, मतलब उनको they are almost treated like as if, you know, production mixer होता है ना, कि अच्छा बोल दे यार कुछ नहीं हो. But I mean the level of detailing that goes into designing sound, whether it is ambience, and now especially when you are mastering shows on Atmos.
Yeah.
You know, Atmos is standard now. आपको Atmos में करना ही है. आपके पास Atmos हो या ना हो, Atmos का master आप uploaded है. If you have an Atmos system, it will play in Atmos, which means we have actually designed the sound of the entire room.
Yeah.
Which means you have to record room tones. वो room tone के अंदर आपके dialogues हो रहे हैं. मतलब you have to take the room tone separated from the dialogue. You have your dialogue tracks. You have SFX, which is your gunshots and stuff like that. You have punches, those are SFX. The footsteps and all come under Foley. Yeah. These are all separate facets, yeah. And in fight sequences and all, matlab, it's quite a job. Yeah. Man. Like I have seen ऑतीश चट्टोपाध्याय हुज अ साउंड डिजाइनर, वो है मतलब एकदम पागल बंगाली है.
Same guy
So, कुछ भी
does
पूछो कि
same.
ऑतीश हाउ वाज इट, हाउ साउंड ठीक था, बस इतना ही करता रहता है. वो कभी खुश नहीं रहता, उसको कुछ भी दे दो वो कभी खुश नहीं रहता.
Okay, just like
But
normal
sound-
Indians dads.
हाँ वो मतलब पापा ही है हमारा. वो हम सबको ज्ञान देता है
हाँ.
और दारू पीने के बाद तो हम सब भाग जाते हैं उसके पास से. ये जब ऑतीश दारू पीता है तब दारू खत्म भी हो जाती है.
Shit.
मतलब ये विराज गडोडिया जो हमारे एडिटर है, तो विराज और विशाल, ओमार मेरा को डायरेक्टर, सेकंड डायरेक्टर, एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर है, एंड विशाल कपूर इज द राइटर. हमारा ये वो सेइंग है कि ऑतीश अगर आ रहा है ना पार्टी के लिए तो उसके लिए 2 बॉटल अलग से मंगाते हैं हम. ये बोलते हैं इसको महंगी विस्की मत पिला, इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पता चलता. इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो उसको ब्लैक लेबल पिला है, रॉयल स्टैग पिला, दोनों एक जैसे ही पिएगा वो.
Oh shit. So, अब पहले 5
But
मिनट में
yeah,
बहुत
sound,
cuts
I
होने
feel
वाले
like sound is the most important factor क्योंकि अचिंत भी, I think the music is actually what binds everything together.
हैं.
Yeah, ultimately the show is, it's different, it's new, and the only thing I feel, the only aspect of the show that is most familiar is music, because music is a universal language.
Yeah.
It's either catchy or it's not. There is no definite genre of music. बस इंडिया में मतलब मुझे याद है मैं एक दिन रिक्शा में बैठा था और मैं रिक्शा वाले को बस ऐसे ही पूछा, यार तुम गाने कैसे सुनते हो. मैं बोलता मेरे को सिर्फ सैड सॉन्ग पसंद है. मैंने बोला वो क्या होता है, रोमांटिक सॉन्ग नहीं, सैड सॉन्ग. मैंने बोला अच्छा सैड सॉन्ग एक जॉनर है इनके लिए. मतलब सैड सॉन्ग इज अ जॉनर इन इंडिया. लाइक आई वांट
Because of Arijit, obviously.
बिकॉज ऑफ एवरीवन यार, मतलब एक सैड सॉन्ग तो होता ही है.
No, so for the people around me whom I see, for them sad song और अरिजीत सिंह एक दूसरे के सिनोनिम है.
हाँ.
So every time they're like कि खुद का तो बढ़िया चल रहा है, गाना गा के हमारा मूड खराब कर देता है, and then we keep on listening to that.
मतलब he is single-handedly responsible for impacting all our love lives. We are not romantic enough anymore because of songs like this.
हाँ.
मुझे तू बता ना, तू
Explain
सिंगल है.
more, no,
तू
why?
सिंगल है, मैं नहीं हूँ भाई. तू
नहीं,
बता.
so like what is making you say that? मतलब
हाँ?
थोड़ा और explain करो ये चीज को.
नहीं, this
We are
is
not
it.
romantic enough.
I feel like, songs have this tendency to glorify romance so much. Just like music, whether it is violence, whether it is romance, whether it is struggle, whether it is patriotism, it's anything. Music just amplifies everything. And sound generally, मतलब आप visually कितना भी करो, कैमरा ट्रैक इन करो, ट्रैक आउट करो, क्लोज से वाइड जाओ, without the sound, none of this makes sense. Sound is what stitches and glues it all together. I can direct an actor, the camera will capture him, yes, but none of this will make sense without your dialogue, without your sound, without your music, without your ambience. सब खाली लगेगा. अब टेलीविजन में भी देख लो ना, अभी वो एम्बियंस थोड़ी डालेंगे, मतलब क्योंकि सास भी गई बहुत ही जैसे शो में, मतलब दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू लुक फॉर रूम टोन ना, कि हवेली में रूम टोन कैसे होगा. तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट म्यूजिक, इट्स ऑल अबाउट फाइंडिंग द मोमेंट, एंड it works, yaar. It works.
Yeah.
I feel music is a very, very big tool. There is a reason we have such, and I mean, we are also fortunate enough to have such a great musical culture here. I feel like I watch Hollywood musicals and stuff. They're okay. They're not as great as people make them sound. Like, I feel like Barbie, good film, fun movie, important for its reasons, but the songs sucked, yo.
Okay, yeah.
The songs were not good. I would choose a Mohit Suri film over Barbie any day, just for music. One तो Mohit Suri is a freaking genius. I don't know how he does it, यार. मतलब उनके हर फिल्म में गाने इतने कमाल होते हैं. मतलब he's another talent only.
Yeah.
Like I have तो heard people say, you know, यार हम love story बनाते हैं, मोहित सूरी को है ना म्यूजिक में वो क्रेडिट दे दे, म्यूजिक क्रिएटिव.
हाँ,
Like,
कि famous
आप
हो
आ
जाए.
जाओ,
हाँ,
आपसे
हाँ,
म्यूजिक
हाँ,
कर लो.
हाँ, so that the film works.
Dude, it does, no? Music is the most marketable thing, it is the most relatable thing, it is the most heard thing.
Yeah.
Like I remember आशिकी 2 जब आई थी यार, वो टीजर में वो गाना जैसे सबने बस वो ट्यून सुना था, पूरा गाना भी नहीं था यार, पागल हो गए थे लोग. मतलब उस चीज को लोग 6-6 मिनट का लुक बना के वही एक लाइन सुन रहे थे.
My dad was doing that.
Yeah, but they were just listening to that one little
Yeah.
bar of a full song on loop because they just couldn't wait to hear the full song. Matlab, it made so many careers, yaar.
I think that
That
was
music was single-handedly the reason where everyone flocked to the theaters to watch that movie.
Yeah.
You know, it's a powerful tool, yaar.
So that might-
And I think music is my strength. I
Okay.
think so.
Awesome. Then maybe in some time I'll say my favorite director is not Hansal Mehta, it's Jay Mehta.
My favorite director is Hansal Mehta.
But I feel why I'm saying so because you are closer to my age than him. So what you bring on the table is very much closer to what I want to see.
Okay.
As compared, so if I'm a film buff, that's a different story altogether. कि हाँ मैं हर तरह की फिल्म को देखूंगा. I'll try to analyze it in a way a cinephile does. But as an audience, as someone who is young and who wants to see new things,
Yeah.
I loved Scam 1990. Scam का theme music. I loved Lutere का theme music because in some way, especially Lutere का, it's kind of funky.
Yeah, man.
It's kind of
It's
funky.
a great thing.
Yeah, but if I make my dad listen to that, अरे क्या है यार, हटाओ ना इसको, मेन चीज चलाओ. It would be like that.
Yeah, but again, you know, it's an interesting point जो तू कह रहा है ना, कि क्योंकि पहली बार जब मैंने ये गाना बनाया था, अचिंत ने बनाया था और मुझे तो कमाल लगा था. मैंने क्रू में सबको सुनाया एंड एवरीवन वाज लाइक यार मजेदार है. बट देन आई रियलाइज कि हमारे क्रू में जितने लोग हैं ना, वी आर मोर और लेस द सेम एज. जैसे जाल जो सिनेमाटोग्राफर है, जाल मेरा कॉलेज फ्रेंड है.
Yeah, you've mentioned it somewhere.
And Omar is someone I've known since college. Achint is someone I've known since we were like in school. Atish I have known for like almost 8 to 10 years.
He's the same guy ना जिसके साथ हंसल सर भी करते हैं अपनी
Atish?
films. हाँ कि
Sound? नहीं.
yeah.
Mandar Kulkarni does
Okay,
Hansal sir sound. Atish used to assist Kunal Sharma, who's done the sound design on Gangs of Wasseypur. Konkona's film A Death in the Ganj.
Yeah.
So he was a sound editor
Okay.
on that. So he used to do SFX, he used to do dialogue editing. So he used to work for Kunal. And he's also done a lot of like documentary work and a lot of short films. Dude, you know, he's won a national award. Atish is a national award winner, by the way.
For which
He won a national award for a documentary जिसका sound design किया था उसने.
हाँ.
I think he was 19 or something or 20 when he won a national award. He's the only national award winner in our entire crew. ठीक है. None of us are any award winners. मुझे बस
कुछ समय के लिए
मुझे फिल्म फेयर मिला है बस.
कुछ समय के लिए.
स्कैम के लिए. सीजन 1 स्कैम के लिए.
Season
Not-
2, Season 3 again Hansal sir is directing.
2010 ना
Yeah.
Yes.
किस पे है वो?
शुभ्रत रॉय.
सहारा
I feel जब मैंने 2003 देखी, वो ऐसा था कि यार 92 इतनी गजब बनी है, चलो ये तेलगी स्कैम देखते हैं. बट it felt really, I really got bored. I don't really get bored while watching films.
Yeah.
It's very hard to bore me when it comes to films.
Fair enough.
आपने पंचायत सीजन 3 देखी?
नहीं.
Season 3, most of the people are saying यार not like first
No.
2 seasons, but I say कि मेरे को ये best लगा out of 3.
Yeah.
But people are like
But
बहुत
subjective
boring
होता है ना.
हाँ.
See, जैसे स्कैम सीजन 2 का सबसे बड़ा डर बैगेज है, द बैगेज ऑफ द फर्स्ट सीजन. मतलब इट्स वन ऑफ दोज थिंग्स वेयर स्कैम सीजन 1 डिड सो वेल एंड समथिंग दैट केम एज अ सरप्राइज टू अस ऑल्सो, क्योंकि पहले 2-3 हफ्ते तो किसी ने शो देखा ही नहीं. हमने तो रिलीज कर दिया था एंड देन वी वर जस्ट लाइक वेटिंग, अच्छा कोई देख भी नहीं रहा है. 2-3 लोग ट्वीट कर रहे थे ट्विटर पे. लॉकडाउन
तो
था ना,
boom कब
हम सब घर पे थे.
बूम कब आया?
2 हफ्ते बाद, 2-2.5 हफ्ते बाद, इट्स सडनली there was this surge in views and suddenly everyone was talking about it and we were like, क्या बात कर रहा है?
People wanted to relate something to the PM Cares Fund.
No comment. But it was a surprise यार. फिर क्या हुआ कि Scam season 1 almost became it did hit pop culture status. You know, it became a very, very successful show. Pratik Gandhi became a very, very successful actor. And he was also great. But man, Gagan was so good as Telgi. Like,
Yeah.
Gagan is a true actor. He was fantastic. Now, lots of things can go wrong, you know. Either it didn't meet your expectations because your expectations after season 1 were
Yeah.
different. The other thing is also, I feel, Hansal's decision to get Tushar on board to direct the show was also that this needed to be its own beast. It's not supposed to look similar to the first season. It's a different scam. It's a different person. It should have a different take. So I feel whether it works or not is not up to us. वो ऑडियंस डिसाइड करती है. हमारे लिए तो चलता ही है, वरना हम बनाते थोड़ी.
Yeah. Right. So, I'm so glad Gangs of Wasifpur keeps coming in my episodes. I'll bring it here as well. So,
1 लाख.
So your first experience was with Gangs of Wasipur, right? In the industry.
And actually, my Gangs of Wasipur was my second. My first film as an AD was That Girl in Yellow Boots.
Again, Anurag's work.
अनुराग सर से. मैं उस पे क्लैपर था.
हाँ.
लेकिन मैं बहुत बुरा था.
अरे
मतलब
वो हमें
मुझे
I
बहुत
understand
डांट पड़ती थी यार.
कि
मैं
ज्यादा जोर से क्यों कर रहे हो?
नहीं वो, हाँ वो भी होता है. लेकिन मुझे सबसे ज्यादा डांट इस बात की पड़ती थी कि मैं सेट पे लेट पहुंचता था रोज. मैं मतलब 17 साल का था, 18 साल का था यार.
I'm not surprised.
सुबह उठना बहुत मुश्किल होता था यार. And you know, again, my first job, right? And also I was an intern type, but I was trying to do it very full शिद्दत से.
Passionately.
At least ऐसे मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं बहुत पैशनेटली काम कर रहा था. वो घंटा पैशन नहीं था वो. मुझे बस पढ़ाई नहीं करनी थी.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो क्या होता था ना, हमने फिल्म कुछ 13 या 14 दिन में शूट की. It was a very small, quick turnaround, but in order to complete the film in like 14-15 days, we were shooting like 18-20 hours. So to like sleep for 3 hours, 4 hours, now एक ये होता है कि अब मुझे आदत है. Now I can train myself to, you know, get maximum rest in 5 hours sleep and still function very well for like 12 hours after that. And then still be awake for another.
Yeah,
5.
so it was a new thing for you, so cope up करना थोड़ा मुश्किल था.
नहीं वो बहाना नहीं होता. लेकिन
नहीं again
I was just a shit AD bro.
नहीं वो ठीक है लेकिन again you are a part of that. आप केवल clap नहीं कर रहे हो, you are running here and there as well in some sense. कि हाँ ये लाओ ये करो ये
See,
करो.
I was also a very big kid. Like at 17, I was a big guy.
हाँ.
I used to weigh like 125 kilos. And मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम मालूम में क्या होता था क्लैपर बनने का, कि क्लैपर का काम क्या होता है कि भाई क्लैप मार और भाग. Clappers have to be
हाँ,
the quickest. I
right,
was
yes.
the slowest clapper in the history of clapping. Because I was a big guy. मैं
तो वो-
क्लैप करता था और क्लैप करते समय जो भागने का जो टाइम लगता था ना मुझे, उसमें आधा रील तो वहीं खत्म हो जाता था.
Understand.
बट राजीव सर बड़े स्वीट होते थे. तो हाँ, इट वॉज ग्रेट यार. मतलब मुझे डांट बहुत पड़ती थी लेकिन आई नेवर लेट इट. यू नो, आई फील लाइक पीपल आजकल जो बहुत सारे नए असिस्टेंट्स आ रहे हैं, आई फील they take it in a bad way when they are scolded or something. Also अनुराग सर इतना को डांटते नहीं थे. वो डांटते वाटते कभी नहीं थे. बस he yeah, it's funny, man. I don't know how to explain it, but there were so many assistants. And most of these guys today are doing such great work. Shlok Sharma, who's a director. You must be knowing Shlok. Shlok is the director of Haramkhor
Okay.
with Nawaz Bhai and
Now
Shweta.
I can remember his face.
He directed that film Zoo, which was shot entirely on the iPhone. And his new films also will come soon, hopefully. I think Two Sisters and a Husband. I think
Okay.
that.
दो फूल एक माली.
अरे it's very. तूने तो श्लोक को मतलब
अंधेरी रात में.
तूने मतलब श्लोक को दादा कौन के बना दिया.
Exactly.
No, but Shlok, such a good filmmaker, man. And you see some of his short films. He was so good. He's such a good filmmaker. And he's still stuck to his craft. Vasan. Vasan Bala. We all know Vasan. Vasan's a very popular filmmaker. Whether it is Peddlers, Monica, now his next film, Jigra, which is coming with Alia Bhatt and Vedang. Vicky Kaushal was a clapper on Gangs of Wasseypur.
Oh.
Shilpa Srivastav, who has written Shlok's films.
Okay.
She was an ED, she was a costume. Karuna Dutt, who's Guru Dutt's granddaughter.
Okay.
Karuna is now a producer. She's
Hmm.
producing and she works with Deepa Motwani. And she works mainly with like Vikram Motwani and Deepa Motwani. And she's doing very well, man. Everyone is doing so well, and we've all come from this one place and this one film called Gangs of Wasseypur.
Yeah, not only actors but also the
The
people
team.
in the back end.
Yeah, man. Neeraj Ghewan was the continuity supervisor. Neeraj Ghewan, the director of Masan. Dude, see the kind of people that were being nurtured by one man, और हमारा क्या पैसे मिलते थे, ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता था, बट यार हम कभी कंप्लेन नहीं करते थे, because ultimately
You dropped Karan Johar's film for Gangs of Wasseypur, na? Which
I
one?
dropped it for Yellow Boot. I didn't drop it as such. I just found यार मैंने देवडी देखी थी,
हाँ.
बट देवडी देखने के बाद मतलब it काफी नो ब्रेनर है ना यार कि कहाँ काम करना है, किसके साथ काम करना है. So I was just like, dude, this is like you said, no, you will relate to my work more than maybe Hansal sir's.
Yeah.
It's the same way I related more to Anurag sir's work than Karan Johar's side of work. But now I relate to his Karan Johar's work more, which is very weird. I relate to that more today.
I think because you also have like liking towards the commercial films.
Yeah, I love it.
I think that is
I love it.
which is a recent a favorite commercial film.
Yeah. Yaar, my last a film I really liked. बधाई दो. यार कमाल की फिल्म थी.
Okay.
बहुत मजेदार फिल्म थी यार. बधाई दो सुपर्ब. मुझे बधाई दो अच्छी लगी. मुझे एक्शन हीरो बहुत अच्छी लगी.
हाँ.
It was damn
I
good.
like that film.
Dude, it was damn good.
Damn
And
good,
It's
damn
unfortunate that people didn't watch it in the theater, सब लोग नेटफ्लिक्स पे आने के बाद बोलते हैं ब्रो क्या फिल्म है. अरे जब थिएटर में थी तब क्यों नहीं देखा भाई. और फिर मतलब क्या है ना, see what happens is because we don't go to the theaters as much as we want to or as much as we should, films like Action Hero become rare because if it is not quantified by box office success, it does not give anybody the spirit to actually go and make more films like this. And it is hats off to Ayushmann and Alia for actually doing something. And what a slick looking movie, dude. क्या शूट किया है. पहली बार मैंने लंदन को ऐसा शूट करते हुए किसी someone shown London and all without being in awe of it. Otherwise everyone's like there London आए, मतलब यही दिखाते रहते हैं. Oh wow, ये देखो, look at Nottingham Castle, whatever castles there are.
Have you watched Sopranos?
Yeah, long back.
Did you like it back then?
No. If I have to be honest, I did not. I watched it again, say like I watched the first season recently, like say 1.5 साल पहले. I saw it in a completely different light, man. It was quite brilliant. Like the writing is quite
I like-
amazing, and the casting is
Yeah.
it's maybe it's one of the greatest.
Which is your favorite web series?
यार बहुत है, ऐसे कैसे एक कैसे बोलूं.
Like एक जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ जो कि ब्रेकिंग बैड is it's something that made me realize कि हाँ कि किस लेवल की फिल्में या किस लेवल की सीरीज हमें देखनी चाहिए and how should we try to analyze or like look at films and series.
यार मेरा फेवरेट शो अगर वैसा है, The Wire. I like The Wire. There's this other show called The Hour,
Okay.
which is a BBC show. Oh man, it is truly fantastic. There was another. I really like Top of the Lake.
हाँ.
It was a damn good show. I really like Broadchurch.
Okay.
Again, BBC show.
Hmm.
So good. The Killing was damn good. Especially the original. I think it was a Swedish show. I'm not sure. Or Norwegian show. I'm not sure.
Okay.
But great show, The Killing. And it was remade in English also.
Okay.
With the same name. Then I liked recent में से my favorite was 000.
Okay.
क्या show है यार?
No
It's
clue.
on Amazon Prime.
Okay.
It was
Re-
a huge inspiration for me on Lutere.
अच्छा.
It almost helped me decide how I want the show to look.
Look as in the colors.
The color, I mean, of course, our show looks very different from that. I mean, that show is freaking outstanding. But I have never seen a show look that good. It is dramatic, it is indulgent, cinematic, and it is engaging. Like when something that is indulgent can also be engaging, boss, you have won. एंड द फैक्ट दैट ऐसा कुछ नई कहानी नहीं है, ये कहानी हमने बहुत बार देखी है अलग फिल्मों में, अलग शोज में, बट इट इज जस्ट द वे दिस शो इज प्रेजेंटेड. इट्स लाइक सो यूनिक. यार एक्चुअली सॉरी, वन ऑफ माय अदर फेवरेट शोज, Mad Men.
हाँ.
Mad Men is maybe one of my favorite shows. Actually, yeah, if I had to put one favorite show, Mad Men is my favorite. It's freaking. And Atlanta.
Okay.
It's an FX series. क्या बनाया है यार.
I would say Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul.
Better Call Saul was better.
Yeah, it is better.
It is a better show.
a more superior show than Breaking Bad.
It is. But Breaking Bad, you have to also think of when it was made, no? Versus Better Call Saul was also made after all the learnings they had on 5 seasons of Breaking Bad. Then they incorporated all those learnings and just tried to make something better. And the fact that a spin-off was better, it's an achievement, yeah.
But the only thing would be, जो लोग Breaking Bad को boring बोलते हैं, वो Better Call Saul को और ज़्यादा boring बोलेंगे.
हाँ, हो सकता है.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
It is more indulgent.
Yeah.
It's slightly slower maybe. The progression, episodic progression is slower. But man, it's still a great show.
So how did you like start watching films, and when did you realize कि यार अब मेरे को whatever I have to do it is this only filmmaking?
यार ये तो I don't think ऐसा, ये तो अभी तक realization हुआ नहीं है.
अच्छा.
हाँ मतलब I am very fluid, yeah. You know, I love what I do. I love the movies. I love it. I have a true love for it. And the day it feels like I'm doing a job and I'm working is the day I will stop. The day this feels like a chore and this starts feeling like a 9 to 5 job, no, उस दिन मैं फिल्में बनाना छोड़ दूंगा, क्योंकि मजा बहुत आता है यार. जिस दिन मतलब थकान आने लग गई इस काम से, तो मतलब छोड़ दूंगा.
आपने ना कहाँ किसी तो जैसे ह्यूमंस ऑफ सिनेमा में कार्टून्स की बात की थी ना. सो whatever cartoons you mentioned, no, I had no clue about that.
Which ones?
नाम भी नहीं याद ना मुझे.
Swat Cats
और भी कई सारे
बहादुर बिल्ली. वो बाद में see again Cartoon Network, when I was growing up, was in English. All the cartoon channels, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, you name all of them, they were all in English. And by the time I had cousins who were watching these channels, by the time I was, say, like 14 or so, 13, 14, all these channels became Hindi.
You are right
Cartoon
now?
Networks, huh?
What's your age right now?
Why do you want to know?
Above 30 you are, right?
I'm 31.
31. So, yeah, तो फिर Tom and Jerry, Shinchan,
Tom and Jerry is also, see,
Doraemon.
Tom and Jerry is also before my time.
अच्छा.
Tom and Jerry का क्या था कि by the time I grew up old enough to watch Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry had already evolved from its original. तो जब पुराने एपिसोड के रीरन होते थे ना, वो पुराना दिखता था.
हाँ.
वो फीलिंग आता था, वो
Old
समझ
touch
में आता
था,
था
हाँ.
कि यार ये दिस इज एन ओल्ड एपिसोड, यू कुड टेल. क्योंकि इट वुड ईदर लुक 2D, लेकिन 2D में भी शेडिंग होता था ना कि लाइट के इंटरेक्शंस होते थे बॉडी पे. Those are things that evolved
Yeah.
slowly.
Yeah.
Because televisions also evolved. तो यार मुझे याद है ऐसे टीवी होती थी, वो जो थोड़ा सा कर्व टीवी
हाँ,
होता
आगे
था,
की तरफ बाहर.
CRT वाले.
हाँ हाँ.
They were like, I think, convex TVs, but main thing was flat screen. By the time I was watching,
अच्छा.
flat screen ही आ गया था, काफी mainstream था.
Okay.
मतलब हमारे घर पे था. Flat screens came pretty soon.
Yeah.
Like by the time I grew up, flat screen था, some music system आ गए थे, Dolby, DTS सब आने लग गया था. Dolby तो बाद में आया, DTS पहले आया था. But it was quite. I remember watching films on LD. Do you remember LD? Laser discs.
Okay.
They were like two-sided DVDs.
अच्छा.
But they were as big as like an LP. Almost.
अच्छा.
Almost like an LP. It used to, but it was a CD. It was a CD, like a digital disc. और उसमें side 1 होता था, side 2 होता था. और उसमें menu भी होते थे. So that's the first time it happened. Then came VCD.
हाँ, ठीक.
Then came SVCD, which was Super VCD. जिसमें VCD में भी menu आने लग गया था.
I still have VCD at my home.
Huh?
My mother makes my brother use that. लो लगाओ, चलाओ.
सब्सक्रिप्शन से तो सस्ता ही होगा.
नहीं, मैंने जबरदस्ती अब वो लगाया फायर स्टिक. So now my dad
तो देने ही पड़ते हैं ना. लेकिन
my dad was like क्या
free
लगाने
थोड़ी
का
होता है.
क्या लगाने का जरूरत है, and he's the only one who watches most of the shows on a fire stick.
हाँ.
Now I tell him कि हाँ ये सीजन ये आ रहा है, इस दिन आ रहा है, इस दिन आ रहा है, इस दिन आ रहा है.
टॉरेंट नहीं करते?
पहले करता था.
हाँ?
पहले करता था पहले.
अच्छा, तू पॉन की बात कर रहा है?
अरे नहीं यार. नहीं तो वो फ्री में हो जाता था ना.
हाँ?
टॉरेंट इज लाइक फ्री.
अरे घंटा कुछ भी बोल रहा है. टॉरेंट करने से मतलब तुझे डांट क्यों पड़ेगी, मुझे ये बता.
नहीं,
Unless you're
नहीं.
downloading like nudie things.
उसके लिए भी डांट पड़ी है वैसे.
हाँ? देखना. अब आई ना असली.
नहीं ऐसे न टॉरेंट.
तू मालूम है क्या है? तू जेन जी नहीं, तू जेन छी है.
Oh shit.
जेन जी वाले अच्छे हैं तुझसे.
फेक वोकिज्म है.
कूद जा.
Fake
कौन
wokeism.
फेक वोकिज्म? नहीं, डिपेंड करता है यार. आई फील लाइक आई हैव हर्ड सम ऑफ दीज आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. सम ऑफ देम आर वेरी वैलिड. इट जस्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन हु इज सेइंग इट.
How have you connected porn to wokeism? I'm just trying to analyze
यार,
that.
इट्स फाइनली बीइंग रिस्पेक्टेड.
What?
पोर्नोग्राफी
बैन है. पकड़ा के तो गए.
अरे पकड़ा गए कि मतलब न्यूडिटी, porn stars, actors, porn actors, adult film actors. At least there is a certain respect for the fact. At least people are now acknowledging that it is a bustling industry. Like, yes, there are the dirty kinds. There must be, the dark web and all is a whole different ballgame. But at least an adult film industry exists. And even till recently, we also had apps, no? We were also having OTT apps and all that were doing like adult erotica stuff. At least we were trying. Chal, now, I don't know about the exploitation and all that must be happening. But it clearly looked like a production. No, they looked like they were being paid.
Yeah.
Why would they do it for free?
Hmm.
Right? So I feel like if that is a part of being woke, good only, no? Acceptance is a good thing.
So what do you think of OnlyFans then?
What's wrong with it? मस्त है.
नहीं है. So the main question that
मैंने एक्चुअली मैं सच बताऊं, मैं ओनली फैंस पे गया नहीं हूँ कभी. मैं जानता हूँ, आई नो अबाउट ओनली फैंस, बट आई नो दैट इट्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर पीपल इंटरेक्ट,
yeah
live interactions
yeah
with fans and stuff like that. And OnlyFans is also used for, like, I'm guessing, what, sex chats and stuff like that, right?
primarily for that. Initially it was started to just have a conversation, but now it has turned more towards that direction. The point,
Yaar, see, as long as I don't see a problem with it. I feel
Okay.
like, yaar, if the person who's doing it is comfortable with it, उनको अगर problem नहीं है, and if they're able to monetize something like that and they're actually able to make a good life for themselves, cool, यार.
yeah
मस्त है यार. We are learning about new income streams, new revenue streams. Why is that a bad thing? कमाने तो यार सबको पैसे बनाने का हक है.
nice.
हाँ.
ये इसकी रील काटूंगा.
हाँ
इसकी रील काटूंगा.
हाँ, नहीं, सबको पैसे बनाने का हक है यार. उसमें बुरा कुछ, यार, कुछ अच्छा बुरा नहीं होता. देखो, आई फील एवरीथिंग शुड बी देयर. यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप समवन फ्रॉम मेकिंग समथिंग.
yeah
If they are making it, let them make it. You can disagree with it,
hmm
and if you don't like it, don't watch it. But don't stop anyone from making it, because if you stop them, then they can stop you from making something.
yeah
Where does it stop? It's just going to keep going on, no? मैं बोला नहीं नहीं, ये तो बुरा है, ये नहीं आ सकता, ये गलत है, ये एंटी नेशनल है, this is anti whatever, anti this, anti that, everything is anti only now.
yeah
It's hurting sentiments. अरे, tomorrow something you make will hurt their sentiments, and then you will say no, but I haven't done anything wrong, but for them it is wrong. मतलब then where does it stop? I feel everything should be there.
वही सबकी मॉरल डेफिनेशन ही अलग है.
यार वही ना, अभी सेंसरशिप एक चीज होती है. अभी now the CBFC stands for what? It's a certification board, right? Their job is to certify our films in the category, whether it's universal, UA, adult. I feel like what they can do is also add more certifications,
yeah
like X rated or AA rated or whatever. How you have PG-13, PG-16, A, X, you have U, all that kind of stuff. I just feel like, ठीक है यार, ऐसा सर्टिफिकेशन करो ना. आप लोग सेंसर करते हैं फिल्मों को, ये मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड इट व्हेन इट्स फॉर मास कंजम्पशन, बट इफ इट्स एन एडल्ट फिल्म, अगर आप फिल्म को एडल्ट सर्टिफिकेशन देने ही वाले हो, तो फिर क्यों कटवा रहे हो?
hmm
जब आपको पता है कि यहाँ ये फिल्म 18 साल के नीचे के बच्चे देखने नहीं वाले, क्योंकि अलाउड ही नहीं देखना. अब यार लोग तुम्हारे जैसे टॉरेंट करेंगे, ठीक है, पापा के पीठ के पीछे.
मैं 20 साल का हूँ.
But then the onus is on you of what you make of what you watch. The filmmaker cannot be held responsible
yeah
for your consumption of something they have made.
why do I see some sort of anger inside you?
It's not anger. I just feel like, we have made films like Shahid and City Lights and all, and I feel like we have constantly, Hansal sir has constantly had,
Aligarh and all.
yeah, and he's constantly had trouble. And if not trouble, just misunderstandings with the censor, the CBFC. And, with a lot of people generally. And I feel like people have just forgotten how to coexist here. I think everyone's just so busy fighting that they've forgotten that, bro, just jeena apni zindagi.
Why do you think this is happening?
I don't know, man. This is a general hatred, a general divide that is being created.
Is it just in India or outside as well?
It's all over the world right now, currently. The whole world is going through it. Whether it is, the situation with Israel, Palestine, whether it is everything going on in America with the new liberal laws versus,
So I was watching Shahid 2 days back. ठीक. And
on Amazon.
No. 120 रुपए मांग रहा था.
अच्छा.
YouTube खोला मैं फिर. YouTube
है?
हाँ मिल गया.
Oh, अच्छा. Lucky you.
Lucky me.
Not anymore.
Why?
आज फ्लैग करूंगा जाके.
हाँ.
पैसे भरो भाई, मेहनत से बनाई हमने.
Even
मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
even Aligarh is available on YouTube.
Yeah, good. I'm happy.
मैंने दोनों उसी पे देखा.
As long as people watch it, I don't care.
मैंने जोरम के लिए रेंट भरा उस पे Amazon Prime पे. After 1 week they removed that rent वाला option from that.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
और फ्री हो गया.
हाँ.
तुम्हारा बैड लक ही खराब है.
So I was watching Shahid.
हाँ.
So आप शाहिद ले लो, आप अलीगढ़ ले लो, आप स्कैम ले लो. So all these Hansal Mehta films that I've watched, one thing is it is taken from a real life event
Yes.
or on a particular person who did something. And
Except City Lights. Except City Lights.
I have not watched City Lights.
हाँ.
I wanted to, but I couldn't get opportunity
नहीं
to
नहीं
watch.
ऑनलाइन.
समय नहीं था मेरे पास.
अच्छा.
मैं
हाँ, ठीक
कल
है.
रात को 5 बजे तक यही सब देख रहा था. हाँ.
गाना सुना है ना.
हाँ हाँ.
बस खत्म ना देखो. सैड सॉन्ग.
हाँ तो
सबने गाना सुना है. पिक्चर किसी ने नहीं देखा.
yeah, again Rajkumar only, no?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Actually, I think one of Rajkumar's best work.
What,
With Hansal sir.
what do you think is his best work overall?
Till date.
Rajkumar, yeah.
बधाई दो.
Okay.
And Newton.
I was going to say this only.
And Stree.
Okay.
Yeah, what he did in Stree is not something everyone can do. It's not an easy role. What he did in Badhai Do also, no, I don't know how many actors could pull that off. It's not an easy role to do, man. Like, and actually, you know, he was really good in Ludo also.
Yeah.
But he purely just him. Like, I just wanted an entire movie about his character. He was that good in Ludo. I just wanted to watch him for like 2.5 hours.
तो आप बनाओ आप एक.
नहीं वो मतलब मैं वैसे बना ही नहीं पाऊंगा. वो बासुदा की फिल्म है, अनुराग बासु की फिल्म है. मतलब दादा इज अ वेरी गुड फिल्म मेकर यार. I look forward to watching his films actually.
Yeah.
Whether it's Barfi, even Jagga actually, you know, even if I don't know why people didn't like it, I really enjoyed it, man. Like I liked the word.
Same, I would say the same.
I liked the homage to Tintin.
Yeah.
It was nice, यार. It was at least someone is trying to make a Disney-like movie and all. कोशिश तो कर रहा है.
Yeah.
If it doesn't do well, ठीक है. कोशिश तो की है यार. How many people can say that, you know, at least we tried?
I think at that
I'm
time,
not afraid of failure.
I think at that time, if OTT was at the same level as it is right now, maybe people would have liked it more. Jagga.
Maybe. I don't know.
Because like you said, action hero कोई देखने नहीं गया, and people were like Netflix पे देखने के बाद भाई क्या फाड़ू फिल्म है. लापता लेडीज को देख लो, इतना प्रेज मिल रहा है.
But लापता
very
ladies काफी लोगों ने थिएटर में भी देखी है.
but again less amount of people went.
But you know, surprisingly, a lot more than a lot of people thought.
Yeah.
You know, I remember when the film's trailer was going out, and I would keep hearing people murmuring, you know, at parties and all. क्या यार, कौन थिएटर में कौन देखेगा, हम तो OTT पे जब आएंगे देखेंगे. ये एक जो एक अजीब सा एक पेसिमिज्म है ना, ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम ही मतलब इंडस्ट्री वाले ही इस मेंटालिटी को प्रोपोगेट करते हैं.
हाँ.
यू नो, यार ये थिएटर वाली नहीं, मैं घर पे देखूंगा. अरे भाई, तुम इंडस्ट्री में हो, आप थिएटर वाली फिल्में बनाते हो, तो थिएटर में दूसरों की भी फिल्में देखने जाओ. ये क्या बात होती है? एंड आई तो रिमेंबर लाइक यू नो मी, आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स said this very interesting thing. They said that, you know, I want to go watch it in the theater because I want to give this film my money. And I know a lot of people who went and watched the film, really liked it, and then made sure their family also went and watched it. And what a cute film, yeah. What a super sweet movie. That girl is so good, that Chotu.
Yeah.
She's so cute, yeah. Both of them actually, both of them. Such good actors, man. All of them. Even Sparsh, actor है यार.
Casting was like.
Casting is like top notch.
Top
Even
notch,
the music was great. But Ravi Kishan, bro, he is gold. He is gold.
He's gold.
He is. वो अलग है भाई. कमाल का रोल किया. He is too good. He is like the best in the film. But it is a great film. It's a great. I really like Dhobi Ghat also, man. मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. मुझे धोबी घाट बहुत ही अच्छी लगी थी. मैंने धोबी घाट कम से कम 4-5 बार देखी.
Right. So again, coming back to Shahid, no. So Shahid mein, there's a point where KK Menon, Rajkumar, and another, I am forgetting his name. So all three of them are having a conversation, and they are telling him, "Inse dur raho, focus on studying." And that was where it all started, where he started learning about things inside the jail, and then moving on, he realized that चलो मैं बच गया, now I am out of this, but ऐसे कितने सारे लोग हैं जो फॉल्सली इसमें ड्रैग कर दिए जाते हैं. एंड हाउ अगेन द स्टीरियोटिपिकल थिंग दैट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कि हाँ 9/11 हुआ, एक तबके को ही पूरा स्टीरियोटाइप कर दिया गया. एंड अगेन हाउ just because of the name they are dragged into this, and everyone is like they want to ensure that they are behind the bars.
Yeah.
Be it anything, be it because they are scared or be it because अरे यार ये तो है तो मतलब this guy is Muslim and it is going to happen. And how he kept on fighting for them again. So अगर ये fight नहीं होती तो at the end fight यही होती कि he is just getting institutionalized in those by being a part of that. Let's say when he was inside the jail and even when he came out, the anger would have taken him somewhere in the wrong direction. And I think this is how so Shahid में ये बात हो गई, fighting for justice. अलीगढ़ में एक बात हो गई कि how lonely he was.
Also a film fighting for justice.
How lonely he was, Manoj, like playing actor of Sirus, how lonely he was through and through. And at the end, no one would expect that to happen. But when you see at the end, man, this actually happened. So we're like, yeah, constantly from the starting point itself, if a person doesn't know if this is actually based on a true event, I feel they would think, yeah, okay, this is the Bollywood film that I'm watching, where things are made up. Things actually don't happen, and at the end they see this actually happened and they're like, oh, they are kind of shocked. This is what I've understood by the reaction of my friends, the people whom I made ask them to watch.
From Hansal Sir's films.
कि आप अलीगढ़ देखो या शाहिद देखो.
So you feel that his films are for shock value?
Yeah.
Maybe. Or maybe it's just shock value because you are not aware of that incident.
Yeah, that is why. Shock value for other people. Yeah. I feel yeah, this happens. This is generally what happens. But again,
but it happens with anything new, no?
Anything new as in?
यार शॉक वैल्यू तो मुझे टॉप गन से भी हुआ था. कि क्या बात कर रहा है यार, ये असली में जेट उड़ा रहे हैं. There's a lot of shock value in the fact that all those stunts were performed real. You know, the fact that Tom Cruise has learned how to fly a fighter plane. Shock value is the wrong word. I think shock value is a promotional tool.
Okay.